third Hi4CSR learning activity took place in Brussels. The event was hosted by ABIS, the Academy of Business in Society, and its participants, the members of 8 European organizations in the field of CSR, from Croatia, Slovenia, Germany, Italy, Slovakia, and United Kingdom. The project deals with harmonization and implementation of EU CSR legislation into national legal frameworks. Its main goals are adult education, exchange of good practice examples between partners, and dissemination of accumulated knowledge. Participants were sharing practices on project topics: employment of persons with disabilities relating to the directive, stimulating the processing of used materials, eco-labels, regulation on the provision of food information to consumers, as well as the donation in the framework of general food law. The topic Water Framework Directive featured a presentation from every project partner on the topic of EU Water Framework, its transposition into national legislation, current status, challenges and limitation in its implementation, as well as the best practice examples from partners' countries. During the learning activity, Corporate Sustainability Senior Officer in Solvay held a presentation about Sustainable Portfolio Management, SPM, a tool which aims to systematically drive business portfolio towards better and more sustainable business. During the learning activity, project partners collaborated on writing the CSR guide, which will be the first comparative study of its kind to cover 6 topics from the field of corporate social responsibility and sustainability, and will present, in clear and systematic way, implementation and harmonization of related EU legislation, as well as the best practice examples from different member states. Project partners went to the study visit to the European Commission for a meeting with the Directorate General for Environment, a policy officer working on the implementation of EU Water Framework Directive. After the meeting, project partners visited Parliamentarium at the European Parliament, where they learned more about the EU's history, the evaluation of its institutions, and the lawmaking process of EU, from drafting legislation through adopting and applying, evaluating and improving existing legislation.